What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release June 25th. But before we get into that review, want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Nike and Jordan releases. Starting off with the Kobe. These releasing on June 7th. And next we got the women exclusive Airship Opium Paris collab. This one released on June 1st. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Denim releasing on June 15th. Now, all of these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, standard Air Jordan Retro 13 box, all silver with the red Jumpman logo sitting in the middle. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 13 Retro, Dune Red, Terror Blush. Size 12 we're going to be taking a look at. Flip this paper back. Let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 13 Dune Red. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into this review. Now, the first thing first, these do come dressed in that flint gray color blocking where we have the dark accent color on the top, white toe with the light accent color on the heel and the midsole. Very, very nice materials, nice construction, as always when it comes to a pair of Retro 13s. Starting off with that top-down view of the shoe, got the Dune Red sock liner, all white tongue with the Dune Red Jumpman logo sitting on the top, white laces, going down to the Dune Red tab with the white Jordan, and this one does not come with the Roman numeral 13 sitting behind the tab. Nice tumble leather toe, got the Dune Red upper, and I believe this panel is dressed in a 3M material, and we got the suede nubuck instead of kind of like that hard plastic rubber feeling midsole. Got the white paws sitting on top of the Dune Red outsole, black carbon fiber plate, got the Terror Blush accent colors sitting in between the white herringbone traction pods. Taking a look at the heel of the shoe, got the classic Jumpman logo sitting on top of the holographic 2-3. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 13 Dune Red. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, please head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.